Hello, hello, hello. Another day, another vlog of property for sale. Gated two-story townhouse with lot area of 100 square meter with floor area of 200 square meter facing west along Rojas Boulevard inside Rojas Seafront Garden, Rojas Boulevard, Pasay City. Ito po, nakikita niyo yung labas niyan. Ang lot area po is 100 square meter with floor area of 200 square meter, 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bathroom, 1 parking, pwede rin pong gawin dalawa. May slot po dyan. Ang zonal value po dyan is 125,000 per square meter, residential condominium with appraisal value of 24 million. Currently, tenanted po yan. 1 year ang contract niyan. 60,000 per month. Kaya lang po kami nakapasok kasi may client po ako. By the way, naka-mortgage po yan sa BDO with balance of 4 million. Mag-usap na lang po kayo, after viewing, mag-usap na lang po kayo ni seller kung magkano po yung counter offer nyo, kung paano yung process ng payment nyo. Net na po sila, net. Pero mag-counter offer po kayo. At malapit po sa lahat yan. Paglabas nyo, andyan na yung business establishment. Tapos, 13 minutes away from NAIA and MOA, 3 minutes away from Heritage, Pasay City. Ayan po yung kwarto. Konting aayusin lang po yung itaas, pero maayos naman po yung property. Makipag-usap na lang po sa presyo. I'm Lani Briones, direct po ako sa may-ari. Ayan po yung townhouse. Malapit po sa gate yan. Bye from now!